Hey guys, welcome back to the Milk and Blush channel. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing and clipping in our luxurious set. This set comes in two lengths, 16 to 18 inches, which is 200 grams, and 20 to 22 inches, which is 265 grams. The 20 to 22 inch set has an extra Quad Weft 2 that helps to keep the hair looking super voluminous from root to tip. All the wefts in the luxurious set are quad wefted, which means there are 4 layers of hair on each weft so that it's super thick. The luxurious set is perfect for anyone with really thick hair or someone who likes a super glamorous amount of volume. It's also perfect for any of you who have a really blunt haircut or a bob who want to add extra length, as you'll be able to hide it and get the best blend. Our model Davika has really thick, long hair, so the luxurious set will be perfect for her. If you're new to Milk and Blush, this is the gorgeous box that your set will arrive in. To make sure it blends perfectly with your natural hair, all our sets come with a Look at Me weft, which you can use to check the shade and length before opening the rest of your set. As you can see, this is a perfect match to Davika's hair, so she's going to open up the rest of her set and clip them in. To start clipping in the luxurious set, you need to take a small section of hair at the nape of your neck and clip the rest of your hair up out of the way. The first weft you need to clip in is the 3-clip weft. Next, section your hair above the 3-clip weft and clip in your first 4-clip weft. If you have the 16 to 18 inch luxurious set, you'll only have one 4-clip weft, but if you've opted for the 20 to 22 inch length, you'll have 2. If this is you, then section the hair above your first 4-clip weft and clip in the other one. Once you're done, section the hair above and clip in your last 3-clip weft. Next, you want to section your hair on the left-hand side and clip in one of your 2-clip wefts. Next, clip in another 2-clip weft above to complete this side. Once you're done, you then want to repeat the process on the right-hand side and clip in your other 2-clip wefts. How insane does Davika look? She's giving us major hair envy right now, and we love how amazing these extensions look without any heat styling. As you can see, the luxurious set has seamlessly blended into Davika's hair, and there's absolutely no disconnect where her natural hair ends. As our extensions are made with 100% Remy human hair, you can heat style them just like you would with your natural hair. To show you how easy it is, Davika's going to add some curls to her set with the T3 wand. If you're new to our channel, we've got loads of tutorials that you can create using your hair extensions, so make sure to subscribe for loads of step-by-step hairstyles. And that's the finished look. If you need any more tips and advice on the luxurious set, then let us know in the comments and we can help you guys out. Thanks for watching.